Ever turn the key and your Sentra won't budge? Let's break down the most common reasons why. No stress, we'll keep it simple. First, check your battery. If your dashboard lights are dim or nothing happens when you turn the key, the battery might be dead. Try jump-starting your car. If it starts, you'll know the battery is the issue. Next, listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key. If you hear clicks but no engine sound, your starter might be the problem. Starters can wear out over time, especially in older cars. Now check your gas tank. It sounds basic, but lots of people run out of gas without realizing it. Make sure you have enough fuel. Another common issue is with the key fob. If you have a push-to-start Sentra, a weak key fob battery can stop your car from starting. Try replacing the battery in your key fob and try again. Finally, check your car's gear shift. The car won't start unless it's in park or neutral. Wiggle the gear shift a little and try starting again. If none of these tips work, it's best to call a mechanic you trust. Sometimes the fix is simple, sometimes it's not, but now you know the basics. Thanks for watching. For more simple car tips, hit that subscribe button.